YouTube, what's happening, y'all kinfolk? It's your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Weezy, baby, please say the baby. Back on the scene with a pocket full of green, man, and another video coming for y'all, man. Appreciate y'all for coming through and rocking out with your boy as always. Now, before we get started, man, y'all know I'm happy. I'm excited for this because, bruh, it's Kobe. Like, don't get no better than this, man. Y'all see this shirt? This shirt probably like 10 years old, man. But anyway, before we get started, if you are new over here, make sure you smash that subscribe button for your boy and ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any video that I put out, man. You feel me? Also hit that like button, share this thing so you can help the channel grow, man. You know, we trying to expand. We trying to do some big things over here, you feel me? So just pause this. Do all that I just told y'all to do, follow those instructions, and you too can become a part of great nation like Kobe, because we great over here, baby. Now, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, bruh. Like I said earlier, I'm excited because if you know me, you know Kobe Bryant is my favorite player of all time, favorite basketball player of all time. He is my GOAT. I got him ranked number 2 all time behind Michael Jordan, contrary to popular belief or what some other people may think, but my boy number 2 all time, man. It don't get no better than that, man. You feel me? I just have never seen anybody with the skill the boy put on when he was alive, man. But RIP my boy Kobe. And like I said, I'm excited for this because I finally got these sneakers, man. And I only got one gripe about this. So, Nike, I'm on y'all behind, man, but I appreciate y'all. But without further ado, hey, bro, let me see the box right quick. Oh, all right, and here we have it. Now, like I said, Nike, I only got one gripe because why my box look like this, man? It look like somebody tried to go in my box. Somebody did go in my box, man. That is crazy. Nike, I'm needing y'all to do better than this, man. Hold on, now I gotta pick the shoes up.
A few inches later.
Now the box, like I said, my box look crazy. It's all bent up and, bro, I'm just disappointed, man. My box look raggedy. This definitely looks crazy to me, but before I get into the shoes, I also hit on the hoodie. The hoodie, I tried, I tried for everything. I tried for the hoodie, I tried for the shirt. Ended up hitting on the hoodie. The hoodie came FedEx, so hopefully Nike ain't hold me, but UPS, I got a bone to pick with y'all, man. I'm gonna take a picture of this and I'm gonna send it in to corporate or whoever. But let's check out this hoodie right quick. Woo. Boy. Y'all know I love Kobe everything, man. Kobe everything over here. Ooh. I can't believe I paid $70 for a hoodie. I don't pay $70 for nothing, but except for food. Y'all know I am fat, but oh my God. Boy, I can't wait to wear this. Ooh. Ooh. Suggested retail, 70 of them things. Let y'all see it. Will it zoom in? I don't know if it's gonna zoom in for y'all. My camera been acting crazy. We ain't gonna worry about it too much, man. But we got that extra large Kobe hoodie. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm gonna put some B-roll in it, man. But we got the Kobe logo. I'm gonna turn down the lights for y'all. I don't know, y'all might be able to see it, man. You got the Kobe logo right there. And on the back, we got 8. Y'all can't see that. Let me turn the light down. Y'all can't. But yes, this is something that I'm very excited about. Anything Kobe, I gotta have. It's a must, I have it. So like I said, the hoodie or the t-shirt, I needed one. But let's go ahead and talk about these shoes. Once again, I'm disappointed about my box. Oh my God, my box just look awful. Look at that, man. Box look crazy. But as long as my shoes are in there, I'm happy. Now, just speaking about the box, as you guys can see, we got that all black box. And we got that Kobe signature down there, that Kobe autograph. Black box with the snake skin on it, that black mamba. The deadliest snake in the world, that was my boy, the black mamba. Let y'all see that. Give you a little focus. All right, and the box label read, Kobe 8 Protro, white. This is a size 12, men's 12, women's 13 and a half. Let y'all see that one more again. See that thing right there? I don't know if it's gonna focus for y'all. My camera acting crazy. I might have to start back shooting on my phone. All right, now, I wish they'd had some other details. Somebody definitely went in here, man, for real. Like, they must have been like, man, I ain't want no damn Kobe. Somebody ain't know what they was doing. But, the first Kobe I think this might be the first Kobe I hit since he died, man. Ooh, boy. Here we have the Kobe 8 Halo. Let me see your Halo like Beyonce. Get a little focus for y'all right there. There we go. Got some focus. Oh man, that all white, beautiful, beautiful sneaker. But let's go ahead and talk about it. Here we have the Kobe 8 Protro Halo. These dropped on Kobe's birthday, which was August 23rd. Today is Sunday as I'm shooting this video. So my sneakers came in yesterday, but I had to work and I didn't get a chance to do the review for y'all. Feeling kind of tired, want to take the day off, man. But with these sneakers, I'm so glad Vanessa Bryant and Kobe's estate got these sneakers back rolling because, like I said, Kobe's my favorite player. I got old Kobe 8s, I got Kobe 9s, Kobe 10s, Kobe 7s, Kobe 1s. Like, I've always been a Kobe guy. That legit is my favorite player. Like, I got Kobe everything up in here, man, you feel me? But yes, like I said, I'm glad their estate came to an agreement to start re-releasing Kobe Bryant sneakers. It's been a long time coming, man. RIP my boy Kobe. But let's go to some further news about these sneakers. All right, giving a little bit of history. The Kobe 8 initially dropped in 2012. One of its kind, man, and it was the lightest basketball sneaker, and I can vouch for it. Definitely one of the lighter sneakers. Really fit my game because I'm more of a slasher, physical guy, post up. Like, I can't believe I'm a person that posts up and I'm only 6'1". But I like physicality, and I don't like heavy sneakers. Like, no knock on LeBron, I like LeBrons, but LeBrons were known as more of a heavy sneaker. And they normally made sneakers to the player's play style. Like, Kobe was a smooth, silky guy, you know, and he wanted the lighter sneaker. He was a soccer guy. So, being that he played soccer with excellent feet work, he had to have a light, low-top sneaker. He was one of the first ones with a low top sneaker. All right, you guys know how I like to start my sneaker reviews, starting with the outsole. Now, the outsole is a little thicker than the ones from 2012. Like, this outsole, and it's very much different too as far as the traction. So the traction on the Protro style 8s, we have these arrows or these triangles that's facing outward, as in 2012 or with the OG Kobe 8s, the traction arrows or triangles were facing inward. So I don't know what the play is with that. All right, and down by your bottom of your heel, we do have our Kobe logo in that heel part. Also, we have our fiber carver within our forefoot right there. So that's pretty much a play on the same thing that we get from the old 8s. All right, now heading up onto the midsole. Now, the midsole is outlined in Kobe's logo branding. If you pay close attention to it, and I'm gonna put it on the screen for y'all, you do have Kobe's logo throughout the midsole. All right, and then right where the toe is, damn near you got the Kobe logo right there, you feel me? Like, I'm loving it. It's subtle details I love about this sneaker. All right, next up with the upper. Now, the upper is mesh. Now, with this being an all-white sneaker, this mesh is gonna be hard to keep clean, but I definitely plan to wear these like inside the gym if I go to a basketball game. How I normally do things, I'll drive in my Crocs, and then when it's time for me to go inside the gym or anything like that, I'll always take off my Crocs and then put my sneakers on, make sure I'm walking on cement. I'm one of the OD sneakerheads, like, I gotta keep clean, and being that these are all white and these only gonna get gym wear, I'm definitely wearing these inside the gym, making sure they don't get dirty. I'm gonna have to watch my every step, you feel me? But yes, we have a mesh upper. All right, and the Nike swoosh, we got an embroidered Nike swoosh over here on this sneaker as well. All right, now heading up to the tongue. Now, we do have our leather tongue with our Kobe logo stitched on the top, and we have our white laces. They should have came with a set of extra laces, some 3M laces or something, man. And I tried to see if these were 3M. These are not 3M. 3M is not on this sneaker, which is crazy to me, but it is what it is. Hopefully, with this next Halo sneaker, Vanessa has already said that this is going to be a series, so we're going to get plenty Kobe Halos, 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, and so on and so on, man. I love it. All right, now heading on back to the heel, we do have our Kobe logo on that heel cap and his signature right on the side of the heel. And looking at the back of this sneaker, it has like a basketball, I don't know, has like a basketball feel to it. I don't know if they tried to use snakeskin, but it definitely looks like it's basketball to me. All right, so now I'm gonna do a compare and contrast. Now, I do have my Venice Beach Kobe 8. This is like the only box I kept from my OG Kobe 8s. And I kind of wish they would have kept like the Kobe system, how we have on this one. I wish they kind of would have did the same thing, but kept like the snakeskin feel on the box. You know, we got that black and yellow box right there. We got the Kobe system on the lid. And, you know, we just have the Kobe logo with the Kobe signature. All right, I wish they would have, you know, kept it black and yellow, but it's all good, man. You know, I'm all for change. I'm definitely all for change. Now, with the Kobe Venice Beach, this is one that's coming out next summer. I can't wait to get these again. Just a feel of it. The OGs definitely feel lighter. Like, it feel like I ain't holding nothing versus these. Is light, but with the Protro technology, the performance retro, if you know Kobe was always one to want to advance to better things. And he stated it before he died with his sneakers, you know, the Protro line, you know, just new performance technology and all that. And for hoopers like myself, we enjoy things like that, especially somebody like me who's had plenty of injuries, torn Achilles, torn patella tendon twice. Like, I need something. I don't see myself giving up hooping no time soon, but I need something that's gonna make it lighter on me. You know, I don't like hooping in heavy sneakers. I don't like hooping in high tops. Like, I do mid tops. That's why I love Kyrie's so much. Kyrie's are the next best thing to Kobe's, in my opinion. But overall, the OGs are light as a feather. Now, I want to check out the insoles, give y'all a look on the insoles, because I know that Kobe 8 Protro insoles, like, it's not thick like this one. And I know they have that React. I'm trying to get this out, take the paper out. I know the insoles have React on them. It might be a little, yeah, I think these are a little thicker. Yep, I can feel it. God dog, y'all. So yes, the insole, that React insole is very much thicker, as you guys can see. Like a compare and contrast. The Halos are definitely thicker. So this may be a comfortable hooper sneaker. I should have doubled up. As you can see with the OG 8s, has a thinner insole. So that React, and if you ever had a Nike React, the Nike Reacts are a comfortable sneaker. So now it's time for my favorite part of the video, which is the on foot portion. And I'm also gonna give y'all a little outfit portion. When I go places, I like to wear like sweatpants and a hoodie. Like, I like lounge wear, you feel me? I don't like to get dressed up too much, man. And like I said, I live in the gym 24/7. So when I walk in the gyms, you know, some call it bummy like J. Cole, but I still feel like I'm fresh sometimes. But without further ado, here's a B-roll, some outfit ideas. We're gonna jump back and we're gonna end this thing, man. Hope you guys enjoyed that, man. Once again, we have the Kobe 8 Halo. So glad I hit on these, man. This is a beautiful sneaker. Definitely gets a 10 out of 10 for me, and I could be biased because it is a Kobe, you feel me? I could be biased, man. But y'all let me know in the comment section below, did you hit on these? Did you go for them? Resale ain't too bad right now, so I may end up doubling up, man, because I want one to rock and one to stock. Like, I feel like this is going to be a collector's piece, which probably would make some money down the line. And y'all know I don't do anything for the money. I don't care about resale or none of that. But I definitely just want one I could wear all the time. And just one to, you know, just keep on ice, man. You feel me? But once again, appreciate y'all for coming through as always. Kobe 8 Halo. Wow, that thing look good, boy. Ooh. But once again, it's been your friendly neighborhood sneaker man, Goat Weezy. Once again, subscribe to the channel so y'all can help the channel grow, man. And like this and share this. But anyway, y'all know how I get out of here, baby. Love, peace. All this beef, throw some chicken grease on that thing. I'm gone.